Hi, this is John with WATI. Being honest, I don't handle that well spicy food, but this Goya hot sauce is just great and it just works wonder. And I'm gonna tell you why. First of all, it's the taste for me. I just love how this is a mild hot sauce. It's not gonna be so hot that you're going to be like burning your tongue and you're never gonna taste the other ingredients of your food. I add this to pretty much everything. I would use this with meat. I would use this with almost all the things that I've been trying. I would add a little bit of this hot sauce, and you can feel the ingredients. This is not just hot sauce just to burn your tongue. This is hot sauce that it actually adds some flavor. Is a great sauce for to add it with your meals, and you're knowing that it's just like a low calorie one that is not gonna go so hard on you. So if you're like me and you cannot handle really hot sauce, this is a mild one by Goya. So this was John with Dao Li TI, and that was my point of view.